Well, hello, springtime. It's been a while since I've been able to get out here to fly, but as a drone operator, we all know the most important aspect of flying drones is making sure that you have enough power to keep your drone in the air, especially while you're flying it. So today I'm going to be doing an assessment, well, let's just say my own personal comment review on the Jackery field solar panel / power system. Right up behind me in my truck bed, if you notice, the solar panel is located right up next to the cabin. And right behind me, I believe right here, is the actual unit that provides the power. Very good day today. Had an opportunity to test my field power unit. I will do a second part on this. It did get a little cloudy, so I really wasn't able to see the full effect or the full power output of the solar panel. But it took approximately 45 minutes to charge a Mavic 2 battery that was down to about 20%, which that was very good. I was very pleased with that. Along with that, everything else worked out pretty good. The field power unit was down to about 88% once the Mavic 2 battery was charged. The solar portion, although it was a bit cloudy, I feel that it could probably do a lot better on a full sunny day, but I guess that's just common sense. Instead of buying more batteries, you really should just get a field charging unit. So when you use your first battery, put that on the unit. And like I said, the batteries that the one battery was down to 20%. It took about 45 minutes to fully charge it again. So you would have already flown one second battery and started into your third, and the first one would have been ready to go again. So you can rotate them. If you have 3 to 4 batteries, like I have 4, you should be good all day. Now, again, the external unit, actually the field unit, was down to 88% charging one battery in the time frame that I mentioned. So I would think that you should be able to get at least 3 or possibly 4 full charges off of the unit if it's not receiving any power from the solar panel. But if it's a real sunny day, of which I'm really looking forward to testing this again, it should be okay. So with all that being said, that's about it for now.